Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stake AAVE tokens for rewards. So I'm on AAVE.com now. I'm going to enter the app. So now that we're on the app here, we're going to want to connect our wallet. And there's a variety of options here for what you can connect to, but I recommend going with MetaMask. So you're going to go to the browser wallet, which includes MetaMask or Trust Wallet. And now we're connected to the Ethereum mainnet. And I'm going to go to stake. And now there are two options of what to stake for rewards on AAVE. So let's look at the breakdown here. So you could just stake AAVE token on its own, so single token staking. And this provides AAVE staking rewards. But there is a risk to doing this because the AAVE staking pool is essentially an insurance pool for if the over-collateralized lending is not liquidated at an appropriate price and there ends up being a shortfall or not enough funding coming out of the liquidated collateral to be able to cover the debt to the protocol. In that case, up to 30% of your staked amount in the AAVE staking pool could be slashed in order to make up some of that potential loss in that situation. So that's the single-sided staking. But then there's also the staking BPT. You could deposit AAVE and Ethereum into a balancer pool. This also exposes you to up to 30% loss in a shortfall event, but the additional risk is that you may be exposed to impermanent loss from this pool if the price of AAVE and Ethereum diverge significantly and don't converge again between the time that you open and close that position. But you do have some additional rewards for this option because in addition to AAVE staking rewards, you also get trading fees from that balancer pool as well as some balancer token rewards. So the single token staking has an APR of 6.38% at the moment, while the balancer pool one has a higher APR around 15.1%. Note that for both of these options, you have a cooldown period, which means that if you want to unstake, you first have to start the cooldown period, which starts a 10-day countdown. And then after that period is over, you have a 2-day window in which you can then unstake your AAVE tokens. So I'm going to go ahead and do single token staking, and it shows how much AAVE I have in my wallet, and I'm going to put in slightly under the amount that I have, just because in the past I've hit max and had some errors with that, just in terms of the decimal being displayed versus what's actually in the wallet. So I'm going to put that in and then hit stake, and it's basically information I've already gone over here. It gives you more information, make sure you're aware of the risks. Now first we have to approve the transaction. So I'm going to confirm that. Okay, so that transaction has gone through now. Now we're going to do a second transaction, this time to stake. So that first transaction we did, you only have to do that once unless you take away that approval. But the stake transaction that we're doing now, you have to do every time. So I'm going to look at gas now here and get an estimate of current gas prices. See if I can set this a little bit lower here. Let's put this down to 70, can do 65. 76. So just cut down the cost a little bit on that transaction. Now I'm going to confirm that. Now I just have to wait for this transaction to go through. Alright, that transaction has been confirmed. So now the action has been successfully executed and our AAVE is staked. I hope this video has been helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.